Hey guys, what's up? It's Samantha. Welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be prepping for the spring semester. I'm so excited. Weirdly, I normally dread school, but this semester I'm just like really excited. Like I just want to embrace all school brings, I guess. The semester actually starts today. All my professors just put in the syllabus today, so I couldn't have done anything even if I wanted to. I need to go grocery shopping because I have no food here. I literally ordered a pizza last night because I had nothing else to eat. So we're gonna go grocery shopping. I just want to organize my Notion a little bit more, which I just started. I just bought an iPad, feeling really cool about that. And then I want to put things in my Google Calendar, like deadlines and stuff. I have my class at 2:30, which is just online, and then another class at 7 p.m, which is gonna be weird. But yeah, I'm just gonna vlog me getting my life together for the new semester. So right now we need to go grocery shopping because it's 12 p.m. and my class starts at 2:30. So let's go grocery shopping.
Dash a digit, the schedule busy. My head in a hoodie, my shorty a goodie. My cousins are crazy, my cousins like boogie. Life is amazing, it is what it should be.
Okay, so I got all my stuff. I didn't get that much, and it was honestly my first time grocery shopping alone. I know that sounds kind of weird, but like I've always gone with a friend. Like I hate going alone. So I'm just really proud of myself for going alone. So I'm just gonna put all my stuff away and then go to my class, I guess.
Feel like a rookie, I tell her look up cause it's snowing in Tootsies. Booked for 3 years, man, you can't even book me. It's me and Lil Baby that going crazy. Weezy produced it and Weezy have made me, and she held it down so she got a Mercedes. Your Money Records, the Army, the Navy. They ran me 10,000, I threw it like Brady.
Hey guys, I'm in my waiting room for my class. It's gonna start in like 5 minutes. I have my iPad, I have my candle. Feeling good. I don't know where I'm gonna take notes yet because I just got my iPad. I need to set that up, but for now I think I'm just gonna do Apple Notes just for this class. Okay, I'll see you after class. So it is the next day and it's time to finally do what this video is for, which is getting my classes together and looking at my syllabus. And I know it is Wednesday now, so we are deep into the semester. So really I should have been doing this like a week ago, but here we are. I guess I'm just kind of scared. Here's my game plan. I have my iPad. I've been using Notion to really be my planner and just be organized and all that. I'm just gonna go in and I'm going to put all my due dates, at least for the next month, and here I have 2 calendars. One more of like a content because I'm trying to do YouTube more. So I have that calendar and then I have my college calendar. I'm just going to put it all in here. Julia Christ, I think, she did a whole tutorial about Notion and that's like where I got the template from. And it's like really nice. I really like it. I obviously changed it up a lot, but this academic thing, I'm gonna put all my professor's information and like syllabus and everything in here. Let's just get started. So I'm pretty much done with my Notion portion of this. I put in all my classes and a good amount of my due dates in here, and I just color coordinated them. I also went in and I organized all my classes. There they are, they're so cute. So I went in and I did that, and I even did some homework. I'm getting my textbooks. I actually think I have to buy a lot of textbooks this year, which I'm just not happy about. But yeah, I think that's pretty much it. I just really have to buy textbooks now and do the work, which is gonna be so much fun. But yeah, I think I'm gonna go make some dinner and watch some Netflix because I'm really just very tired at this point. But yeah, I think I'm gonna end this video here. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope you all have a wonderful semester, and I'll see you guys in my next video.